Hey, sugar babies. It's your girl Sugar and I'm back with another video. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. If you're returning, hey, welcome back. Today I am reviewing the Curls Vegan Green Collection and I am so excited. Okay, sugar baby, so we're going in as normal, just wetting the hair, and if you guys cannot tell, it definitely needs some love. So the first product I'm gonna go in with is the kelp curl cleanser. It has natural source of vitamins such as A, B1, B2, C, D, and E. And kelp promotes healthy hair growth and scalp healing. One thing I noticed was this was very hydrating. It didn't give me the lather that I'm used to, so I did go in with more, expecting more lather, and I didn't get that. However, it definitely moisturized my curls, so I can't be mad about it. So, and of course I'm gonna rinse that out next, and if you cannot tell, it brought my hair so much life. So the next thing I'm gonna go in with is the green tea rinse that they provided. Now this steps in as my ACV rinse. It provided the shine and all around healthy look that I wanted. This wasn't your regular cream or anything. Of course I had to pour it in, so you'll see me doing that. And here's a fun fact for you guys. Green tea protects your hair from sun damage. So this will be a great summer product because if you did not know, you can get heat damage from the sun. So go ahead and get this green tea rinse for the summertime. It also has amino acids that strengthens your hair shaft and prevents split ends. The next product in this line is the kelp cucumber hair mask. You leave this on for 15 minutes, and y'all, this product was thicker than a Snicker, but that's okay because they gave us a bamboo spoon to help us get the product out, and trust me, you're gonna need it. I love this product because it added so much more shine on top of the green tea rinse. And fun fact about cucumber is it promotes hair growth as well, and it helps with all the shedding. So you guys will really like how thick this mask is. So I'm going to apply it to this section, and then I am moving on to the next product. The last two products of this line have got to be the MVP. It's going to be the bamboo protein treatment and the avocado hair mousse. Now, both bamboo was another strengthening product. It also removes dead skin cells and product buildup. But my favorite thing about it is as soon as I put it on, it was thick, but it wasn't as thick as the cucumber hair mask. But it popped out those curls, and the avocado mousse just added to it. So the avocado mousse helped detangle what wasn't already detangled from the protein treatment. It's smooth and it's silking the hair shafts. And if you can't tell from the way my reaction is, y'all, my curls just came out of the woodworks when I applied these two products. These have to be my favorite products, and they are definitely making their way to my favorites. Overall, Curls giving us this vegan product was something new to the table. I really like this line. If you guys want to try this line, it is at your local Target. So go out and try it. And let's just get into these results. And if you have not already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And y'all, I will see you guys next time.